My body is dying. That's the title, by the way. My porch's paint is peeling as my rocket. Oh, sorry, I'm restart. My porch's paint is peeling as my rocking chair is creaking and the angels are singing out of tune. As my grandchild is trying to feed me chocolate pudding with a teaspoon. But I just gag and gargle and gurgle and cough and choke because my throat tubes are rotten from poisoned food and factory smoke and my love of cigars and whiskey straight from my body. And my life is almost peeled away.
Another one.
As my heart valves are leaking and the angels are singing out of tune. So I adjust my hearing aid to auto-tune the melodies.
Another one, here we go.
I wonder what faith is the choir that will sing welcome to me. Or will I be tormented in between earth and heaven? Or be burned over and over again and again in Dante's Inferno? Or will I just not know? Or will I rip an angel's immortal heart out of their immortal glory and give it my horrible heart in exchange? In a deal you might see as fair or unfair, depending on from where your consciousness is looking out from.